This week's Brandon's blog is titled Corporate Bankruptcy FAQ. Use our hack to solve your challenging insolvent company issues. Now, you'll see I'm a little more dressed up today than I normally am, but that's because I was in court this morning. This week's Brandon's blog discusses corporate bankruptcy. Corporate bankruptcy is a legal process by which businesses can reorganize their financial affairs or liquidate their assets. Although bankruptcy can be complicated and stressful, it can provide businesses with a fresh start. When it does happen, the corporate bankruptcy process can be complicated. Insolvency can take a toll on your company's employees, customers, and shareholders. A solid understanding of corporate bankruptcy can help you properly restructure and reorganize your company using an insolvency process without killing your business. Last week, Brandon wrote about personal bankruptcy services and gave his best answers to the most frequently asked questions. A business partnership or sole proprietorship means that the individual people are running the business in their personal name. So, if you are running a business in either a partnership or sole proprietorship, then last week's blog about personal bankruptcy issues is for you. A corporation is a separate legal entity. So this week, Brandon writes his answers to the 10 most frequently asked questions about when a corporation conducts business and runs into financial trouble. My name is Ira Smith, president of Ira Smith Trustee and Receiver, Inc. Both Brandon Smith and myself are available to answer any questions you may have, either about this Brandon's blog or about anything else at all. So shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to speak with you. I hope you can watch until the end of this video, because not only do I know that you will get value from it, but Brandon and I have a very, very special, entirely free offer for you, which I will describe at the end of the video. So down below, Brandon answers the 10 most frequently asked questions about corporate bankruptcy. And here are the questions that he answers. Can a business declare corporate bankruptcy? 2. What are the different types of corporate bankruptcy in Canada? 3rd, what factors lead to corporate bankruptcy proceedings? 4. What does it mean for a company when it liquidates? 5th, what happens to debt in corporate bankruptcies? 6. How does a company get into corporate bankruptcy and what happens to the company? 7. Why might a company choose to file for corporate bankruptcy protection and restructure under a BIA proposal? 8. Who is responsible for developing the reorganization plan for the company? 9. What becomes of a corporation after corporate bankruptcy? And finally, number 10, when a company declares corporate bankruptcy, what will happen to your stocks or bonds in that company? So I hope you can read the entire Brandon's blog below, because I know you will find it very informative. Again, both Brandon Smith and myself are always available to answer any questions that you may have, either about this Brandon's blog or anything else at all. So shoot us a message, give us a phone call. We would love to speak with you. I have told you that if you made it this far to the end of the video, Brandon and I had a special free offer for you. And now I want to describe and give you the free offer. Many times we are contacted by business owners, entrepreneurs who feel the need to bankrupt their company. And after providing them with their no-cost consultation, it is clear to us that a bankruptcy of the corporation will not help them, and they do not need to spend the money for a corporate bankruptcy. Rather, the nature of the business and the assets are such that they can close down the business themselves without a bankruptcy. So based on our experience, Brandon and I have developed a checklist of the steps that a business owner should take when they need to close down their business and there is no need for a bankruptcy. So click here to get your free checklist.
If you go to the picture at the very, very bottom of this Brandon's blog and click on it, it will take you right there.